Hello and welcome to United Grinding North America, here in our headquarters in Miamisburg, Ohio. My name is Rafael Linan and I'm part of the United Grinding's customer care team. Today, I would like to talk to you about the importance of knowing the working condition of your grinding equipment and specifically about United Grinding machine evaluation services. Let's just say that no one knows a machine like the team that built it. Hence, United Grinding brand specialists can check the health of your equipment and provide you with the necessary information for restoring the factory clearances and the design tolerances as no one else can. United Grinding Machine Evaluation Service is a quick, proactive approach that will bring the machine condition to your awareness, providing you quantifiable measurements and a list of recommendations to ensure your machine's optimal performance. During this video, we will discuss what is involved in a machine evaluation service for a Walter tool grinding, a Studer cylindrical grinding, and a Bloom profile grinding machine. Machine geometry is the most critical factor in determining whether you're going to be able to create parts within specified tolerances. Grinding machine geometry can become compromised and imbalanced with free movement, affecting the precision of your machine operation. Common issues of bad machine geometry include repeatability issues, rough surface finish, and excessive runout. This is why running a machine geometry check is a central element of our service. With me today is Andrew Beck. Let's take a closer look at some of the steps we covered during the machine evaluation of this Walter Electronic power machine. The evaluation begins with measuring the amount of backlash and deflection on each axis. Our technician will check the concentricity of the holder and the runout in the test bar of the A-axis. High runout translates into wobbling tools, index issues, and other tool finish problems. The technician checks the parallelism of the A-axis to the X-axis. Here, a test arbor is used to check the geometry of A in reference to X. The technician checks the parallelism of the Z-axis, removing one of the shoes in the guide rails to check its condition, preload, and backlash. The technician also checks the perpendicularity of the Y-axis to the upper plate and the Y casting position in the rails. The correct perpendicularity of the grinding head to the upper plate avoids premature wear of the ball screws. It is critical to get your machine's evaluation service carried out by an OEM trained technician. It's a simple effort that will pay dividends in improved uptime. Let's head over to the Solution Center to the Studer S40 to see what a machine evaluation would look like on your Studer. During the machine evaluation, our technician checks the workhead bearing runout, alignment of the workhead to tailstock and table surface. The technician sees the overall condition of the X, Z axis by removing the weight covers and inspecting them along with guide rails for wear. Our technician checks belts and cables for cracks and brittle spots and inspects function and repeatability for the length positioning feature. The technician also looks for incorrect air pressure and condition of air lines to avoid potential failure. Let's head over to the Bloom Profimat XT to check out one of the steps we covered during the machine evaluation service. Routine machine evaluations can extend the life of your grinding machines, providing early detection of machine geometry variants that could threaten the integrity of your workpiece dimension and machine components. For example, many profile grinding applications require high pressure delivery of water-based coolant, creating the potential for rust to develop inside the wheel hub. Our machine evaluation services can detect whether water is getting into the wheel hub and prescribe a solution before the wheel balancer tube is rusted beyond repair and requires a replacement. United Grinding's machine evaluation provides a lot of actionable information to help you keep up with your machine's uptime and reliability. United Grinding's customer care team, with experts stationed across North America, is here to help you maintain the optimal condition of your machine. Call us at 937-847-1234 or send us a note to customercare@grinding.com and schedule your evaluation today.